Sawubona to you, sawubona to yours. From one great spirit to another, igama lami nginguThulani Malevu. Welcome to Ubizo. Ubizo is not a show. It is not a trend. It's most definitely not entertainment. It is the voice inside you that refuses to stay silent. This is the call to remember who you are and who you've always been. Welcome home. Before they gave us mirrors to confuse our reflection, before they called our magic demonic and our names unpronounceable, we were already golden. Remember that. We are not the descendants of slaves, we are the descendants of the sun. Inzalo yelanga. Not as metaphor, but memory. The warmth in your chest when you pray with your ancestors' names, Upahla, the fire in your bones when you hear the drum. You were there when the first light kissed this earth. Your people were there. You are a continuation of that. Therefore, you are. The cradle of humankind is here. Mzansi, not Europe, not the Middle East. Therefore, this tells you something, that this land is not just sacred. It is the origin. Bantwana base-Alkebulan, you are not lost, you were never lost, you were hidden, buried beneath stolen Bibles, colonized flags, and mission school uniforms. You were forced to forget your birthright, but the soil didn't. It never did. Even the land remembers your footsteps, even the stars still sing your name. The gold meridian line doesn't just run through the continent, it runs through your spine. You are literally aligned with the divine, the omnipotent. As above, so below, as Embo, so in you. It is time to pull our power out of foreign temples, time to speak to Umdali back in our mother tongue. uNkulunkulu akalali, inkosi ayiphunyuki, amadlozi ayakhuluma, therefore asilalele. You are the holy ground they tried to pave over. You are the manuscript they tried to burn. But flame does not kill flame. It multiplies it. Decolonizing isn't about rebellion. It's resurrection. Ukuzalwa kabusha. You are not just black, you are divine. You are not just African, you are Emandulo from the beginning. So walk like the prophecy that you are. Speak like the thunder that knows its name. Dress in the light you've been always hiding behind, humility. This is not arrogance. It is ancestry remembered. To be Inzalo yelanga is to carry the sacred madness of the sun, to burn in truth, to light the path for those still trapped in forgetting. Our story does not begin in suffering. It begins in the stars and it returns to glory. Children of Alkebulan, come home. Bafowethu, bosisi, bantwana belanga. This is your call, to unlearn the lies you were baptized into, to reclaim your divine technology, your voice, your vision, your vibration, to remove the mask of shame and crown your soul again. You are not waiting for heaven. You are heaven. You are not seeking freedom. You are liberation walking. Ubizo is not a show. It is the fire that wakes the gods. And gods, you have slept long enough. Come home. Come back to the sun. Come back to yourself. Until next time, okuhle, umusa, kanye nokukhanya ekuhambeni kwakho. Light, blessings, and mercy upon your journey.